Hello friends, my name is Vipul Rajprat and I am the host of Vipul Education Channel. Welcome to Vipul Education Channel. Today we will discuss the important question of chapter number 4 World History for your exam. So let's discuss the question. First question is the write the contribution of Bismarck in the unfiction of Germany. Answer ये पहला क्वेश्चन जो है इसका आंसर है आफ्टर द डेथ ऑफ रूलर पर्शिया फेडरिक विलियम फोर्थ इन 1861 64 years old William A became the ruler. His brain was not so brilliant and thoughtful, but he had a strong quality of testing able people. He believed in liberalism, but he believed that unfiction of Germany can be done by Persia through powerful rule and military. To strengthen the military of Persia, Brunner was made war friend and Wemolko was made chief commander. When constitutional headlines accord the issue of military reforms, then they remove these headlines. William I appointed the Bismarck as his chancellor. Bismarck was Canning politician, a well-known person of international matters, skilled and development wealthy personality. According to him, problems that period couldn't be solved the chief and majority resolves, but could be solved by the policy of iron and blood. Hence, due the case of make Persia powerful when military budget was not accepted the lower house of the parliament, then Bismarck got it passed by the upper house and introduced his firm determinations. Right, the change brought in textile industry during industrial revolution. Answer: the real state of industrial revolution was held from many textile industries up to middle 18th century. The old system manufacturing clothes in Europe could not supply clothes according to demand. Earlier cotton cloths were imported from India to England, but when political control to East India Company held on India, then England started importing cotton with clothes due to increasing demand of clothes to fulfill them. New invention were done in this field. Invention of flying shuttle by John 1733 made possible making wide clothes in less time. Invention of spinning jenny by Hargreaves in 1765 made possible of connecting of many yarn by single person. Richard A. Wackert 1769 invented water form. Now more durable thread could be made than earlier. He knitted iron kenite by Moole. Invited of Samuel Crompton was very strong and of good quality. 1787 power loom was invented by Edmund Carteret. Next question is write a short note of Treaty of Prague. The next step of Bismarck after Gastein agreement was preparation of war against Austria. One hand Bismarck started war preparation, of the other hand by diplomacy started efforts. So Austria could not get help from European nations. At this time, international environment was we also his favor. England was following the policy of non-invention in European confederation. It gains sympathy. Russian be helping in revolution being held Poland. It made France to remain neutral by promising of given few regions of rehand. Austria was stable in the infly of Italy. In 1866, an agreement was held between Persia and Scandia. According to Scandia starts war against Austria, then Venetia would be given it. When Germans were revolting against Austria in Holstein, then Bismarck was secretly supporting them. And one other the hand, Austria was encouraging movement which was being held in Holstein in the favor of Duke of Augustus Claus. On the issue of war was begun between Austria and Persia, but on 3 July 1886 1866 a war of verdict was Skodova and Korgis, in which Prague was held in Austria and Prussia. 23rd August 1866 Holstein Dutch was included. The Prussia and northern Germany was made a sub-federation under the leadership of Prussia, and which Austria was not included. Last question is, write the different stage of influence of Italy. First step is contribution of Cavour, merger of Central Italy. Second is achievement of Lombardy. Third, cooperation of Napoleon III and Garibaldi and major Napoleons and a section. ठीक है दोस्तों, तो today we will discuss the 4th question of a world history. This is very important question. You read this question आफ्टर फर्स्ट एग्जाम. तो एग्जाम से पहले आप इन क्वेश्चनों को रटें और अपने एग्जाम में जो है 4 नंबर वर्ल्ड हिस्ट्री में पक्के करें. धन्यवाद दोस्तों. जय हिंद, जय भारत. घर रहें, स्वस्थ रहें. स्टे होम, सेफ होम.